Athirappilly Falls is the largest waterfall in Kerala which stands tall at 80 feet. Lying at the entrance to the Sholayar forest ranges, Athirappilly Falls is a part of the Chalakudy River which calls the Western Ghats its home. The railway station nearest Athirappilly Falls is 30 km to the west in Chalakudy railway station, and the nearest airport is Cochin International Airport, which is about 55 km southwest of the waterfall and 58 km south of city of Thrissur. It's open all days of the week from 8 am to 6 pm. The sight of the water crashing onto the ground leaves us with a sense of wonder at the sheer power and magnificence of nature. To view the waterfall from a different angle, we decided to go to the foot of the waterfall. That's it for today's vlog. Hope you enjoyed the tour. If you liked the video, please do share, like and subscribe, and click on the bell notification icon as well. Until next time, take care. God bless.